What is up, RC community? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are unboxing one of the most talked about budget scale rigs on the market, the MN model MN90 Land Rover Defender. Look at this box. This is a 1/12 scale, 4-wheel drive trail truck that gives you hard-body scale realism without breaking the bank. Whether you are a beginner looking to get into scale crawling or a seasoned pro hunting for a new upgrade platform, this thing promises a lot. In this video, we're going to crack this box open, check out everything inside, inspect the chassis build quality, and see if it actually lives up to the hype. Let's dive straight in. This is the transmitter. This is a basic 2.4 GHz pistol grip radio. It feels very lightweight in the hand. It has your standard steering trim, power switch, and runs on AA batteries. And here is the star of the show, the MN90 itself. Wow, first impressions out of the box? This body looks incredible for the price point. MN model did a fantastic job replicating the classic 2007 Land Rover Defender D90 hardbody. It has molded door handles, window trims, realistic grills, and it even comes with pre-installed LED headlights right in the front bumper. The plastic doesn't feel brittle, it has a nice weight to it. The fender flares give it a rugged off-road stance. The tires are surprisingly soft and grippy out of the box. They aren't hard plastic like some cheap RC toys, meaning we should get decent traction on the rocks. Surprisingly, for a budget crawler, we are looking at a metal frame chassis. It utilizes a multi-link suspension setup with solid front and rear axles. The differentials are locked, which is exactly what you want for maximum crawling capability so your tires don't spin out fruitlessly. And now, to keep costs down, the stock links, driveshafts, and axle housings are made of composite nylon. The shocks are basic spring-dampened units with no oil from the factory. Powering the rig is a 180 size brushed motor connected to a center transfer case. If you bought the kit version, you'd be assembling all of this from scratch and adding your own electronics, but this RTR version comes fully put together and ready to roll. The throttle response is decent, and the steering servo handles the wheels fine on a smooth tabletop. Keep in mind, the stock RTR steering on the base MN90 isn't fully proportional, meaning it's more of an all-or-nothing turn, but here is the real secret to the MN90, it is an absolute paradise for upgraders. Because it shares a ton of architecture with WPL trucks, you can easily swap in metal gears, oil-filled metal shocks, dual-speed gearboxes, and full proportional electronics later on. You can easily transform this cheap crawler into an absolute trail beast. Final thoughts on the unboxing? For under $50, the scale realism alone makes the MN90 worth the price of admission. It looks amazing on the shelf and gives you a solid foundation to start crawling or modifying. In our next video, we are taking this exact truck out to the local rock trails for a brutal outdoor torturing test to see how it handles real mud, rocks, and steep inclines. If you want to see that field test, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss it, and drop a comment below letting me know what upgrade we should install first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next trail run.